Alright, it's Scott Teague with you again, another PVC train horn. This is a new design. It's just about like it's the same bracket as the K5HL, but this is an RS5T, well just an S5T, haven't got any reverse bells on it. But this is the same setup as the K5HLs, but I turned the bracket upside down so the 4 and the 5 bell will be on top of the 1, 2, and 3. And I'm in the works of getting this more complex, but right now this is what I come up with. Sounds real good. And you see the back here. The manifold is on top, which I kind of don't like, but it's all right. And I'm going to blow it for you. So this is the PVC Train Horn S5T. Put it right here. Hope it ain't too muffled like the K5LLA. It's just so loud it muffles the microphone. So we'll see what it sounds like. Here we go. All right, there you got it.